All right. So today we are doing surgery. I got a homie in New Orleans, a young musician in New Orleans. Before I start, y'all, if I'm preparing anything and it comes to me in a case, I am going through every compartment. I am checking it to make sure there's nothing inside that could potentially kill me or my family. So yeah, be mindful of that. But yeah, this keyboard, one of my homies in New Orleans, young musician. I seen him playing on this thing, this Motif, and I see the keys. I'm like, bro, what you doing, cuz? My gotta be careful of what I say, y'all. I'm trying to, y'all work with me. I said, brother, bro, your keys, cuz. And he says, what? This how I do it. This how we do it out here. Look at these keys. I said, no, that should not be how we do it. And so I'm thinking, this is what happens when a musician practices everything except taking care of his gear. Yo, musicians, take pride in your gear. Take care of your gear. This is what pays us. Let's take care of it. We got to. So yeah, here at Woodhouse Studios, we see stuff like this as a challenge, and we don't run from challenges. Oh my goodness, no, we run to the challenge. We run to it like a church drummer running to a shout beat. So yeah, we about to, like I said, we about to do some surgery. Get this man right. This ain't gonna work. It's not going for me. So I have it out, and there's this very strong smell of marrow. Okay, I don't know what it is. It's a strong smell. It's a whole house smell like that. So I'm gonna do some light cleaning, mainly to get rid of that strong exotic. It smells like exotic. That's what it is. Strong exotic. Plus the board's a little dirty. Just gonna clean it up a little bit. Now again, musicians, I'm gonna be honest with you. This reminds me of a lot of the people I see. They won't. They talk about taking their skills to the next level. I want to be better. I want to be better. I want to develop my sound. You know what I'm saying? They say they want to earn more money, be better kids. But you gotta prepare for those moments. You're not just gonna come out the house and be successful. Prepare, man. So take the time. Just a little bit of time and clean your instruments. And don't get me wrong, some of y'all got the talent. Very talented musicians and singers. Very talented. No maintenance. Gifted musicians, but slightly out of tune. Inconsistent. That if hearing that rubs you the wrong way, well, and just like this keyboard, it's like the universe is telling us, yo, me too. I should have been posted a video about doing some I do this all the time. This is the first, this ain't the first one, but I don't post, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm talking about myself. There's so much going on. I'm blaming everything. I'm blaming the fact that I don't get a lot of sleep, gigs. But at the end of the day, we all just need to tighten up. We all are just one loose screw away from greatness. tighten up, that's all. But yeah, so yeah, all we doing is taking out parts, screws. Yo, it takes a lot of patience. That's the biggest thing. It's a whole lot of patience. It's a whole lot of patience. Right there. Gotta get in them holes. It's, look, just take out all the screws. If you see a screw, take it out. Put it in a safe spot. A place that they won't run away from you. Because these little bitty things, they have a way of running. Trust me. Experience has taught me. Put these little things in a bag or a box. Don't leave them out. Don't just put them on the like. Normally, I would just lay them on the table. Don't do that. Put them in separate little bags. Find like a little bag. Trust me, you'll thank yourself. Don't thank me, thank yourself. But yeah, put all these little screws in all those separate little bags. Keep it moving. I used to think that being a musician was all about playing. All about just playing a lot. Which it is. A big part of it is playing a lot. But a lot of it is spiritual. I don't want to get too deep into that because y'all ain't that kind of video. I'm just showing y'all how to replace broken keys. But it's not about just playing. These notes that we're playing, they are emotions. Sound. These notes, sound is language. And like I said, this ain't that kind of video. But just remember, every chord you hit, every progression you do, it's just language. It's just language and music. And I might be rambling a little bit. Alright, and I'm not gonna bore y'all with all this because it just goes on for a bit. Like I said, find a screw if you wanna do this. Find the screw and unscrew it. That's really basically what I'm doing. I'm not gonna sit here and pretend like there's a science to this. It's a little bit of science. Don't take apart the screws in the back. Alright, so yeah, the screws in the back here, don't take just the ones at the top. Take those apart. And you don't have to undo, like I said, you don't have to undo the ones at the bottom. Just the ones on the side and the ones in the back at the top part. The biggest screws at the top. I'm doing that right here. Yeah, see how I'm at the top? All those big screws at the top, take those out. It's only, it's about 8. And as you can see, check out the towel, y'all. I ain't gonna say it, but let's just keep our instruments clean. Today, I need everybody, if you're a musician, go and clean your instrument. Yes. Take it apart, clean that mug. Well, don't take it apart, but just do a light cleaning, that's all. So you got the treble keys, you get them out. You gotta maneuver, you gotta shake it a little bit. See, that's the easy part, get them in. It's the taking it apart, putting it back together, that's the hard part. Oh, right here, some of the black keys were a little shaky. So all I'm doing is putting a little plastic in the back part to keep them from shaking as much. I mean, they're broken. Just keep it real. Most of the black keys are broken. And we're just gonna have to repair those later. But for now, just putting a little piece of plastic in the back behind the keys to keep them solid enough. And we're putting it back together. We got it all back together. It's a little bit cleaner. looking a lot better. 1,000 times better. Feels good. And finally, yeah, we got it feeling good. Restored. We're ready to talk again. Brand new keys, clean action, feels smooth, and I figured, hey, what better way to test it out than to throw on one of the worship loops. So check it out. I don't know if you guys have been following or not. I do have quite a few worship loops, but the reason why I came up with these loops is because before service, there's nothing really happening, so people usually talk to each other or kind of just catch up with each other, and I think that moment, those specifically before service, right before church start, that should be a moment when people come in and it's like, okay, let's get our minds prepared for service. Let's get our minds and our hearts just ready to receive and just be present. Whether a producer, a songwriter, a musician, singer, dancer, or someone just looking to connect with God. These worship loops, I call them worship loops for the kingdom. Thank you for the ones who supported the loops. To the musicians who called me and said, hey, I'm using these to practice too. Definitely you can practice to them. Hey, you can use them to sit quietly and just reflect on God's greatness if you want to. That's perfectly fine. Like I said, whether you produce tracks, just practicing an instrument, or if you lead in worship, they should inspire you to connect with the audience, connect with God, connect with yourself. Somebody might need this word today. Amen. Your purpose ain't broken. Your gift ain't broken. You just need to tune it up. Yeah, and that's exactly why I made these loops, to give musicians and singers and dancers space to tune up, to get centered, to get your heart in the right place, in the right key. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna lay down some ideas real quick. All right, and let's get it into the computer, so you can really hear it, get a clear sound. Oh Lord, let's get these keys right. All right, I'm not gonna hold you. So surgery was successful. Keyboard is healthy. About to clock out. I'm gonna clean up this loop a little bit. Get it sounding a little bit more crispier. And listen, if you like the loop, like I said, I have plenty of them just like these that you can rock to, you can bop to. If you're trying to practice, trying to study, even if you want to pray, if you're trying to create, or you're just trying to get your mind right, hit me up. If you have an instrument you need prepared, hit me up, and let's make something beautiful. All right, thank you for watching.